Hey everyone, it's me, your social bae. My name is Jyoti and welcome back to my channel. Today we learn how to create transparent text effect using Canva. So one of our subscribers recently requested this video and I thought why not? Your wish is my command. Thank you so much for your suggestion. Now before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button right now and hit that bell icon to never miss any video from me. Now, let's go. Okay, so let's start with adding some text. Just press T on your keyboard and I'll just increase the font size and just add your text over here. Now I want something bold, so I'll go with this font, make it uppercase, increase the letter spacing a little from here, and just change the text color to white. Then go to effects and here you can see this option background. Click on this and I'll just reduce the roundness to 0 and decrease the spreading a little bit. You can just play with the settings as you like. And once you're okay with this, just download this page as PNG file. Now let's upload the same image. While it is uploading, let's select a photo for our background. So I'll go with something nature related. Let's try with this photo in the background. Bring the uploaded image over here. And click on edit image and here you can see the option background remover. Just click on it and let it do its magic. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can go to a website called as remove.bg. It is like a free alternative to this feature. Once the background is removed, click on apply. And now all you have to do is I'll just crop this image and just position it wherever you want. So as you can see, it's a transparent text effect and you can play with different photos in the background. So yeah, our transparent text effect is ready. And I also tried this effect with a cool video in the background. Let me know how it looks. So yeah, that was it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.